So right now they're holding up the doors. Wow! That's a snow brush, and this looks like a little windshield wiper. The spring tune-up over in Quincy for SR Auto Group. Any of you guys have luxury vehicles, you want to get them worked on, get your car wrapped, anything like that, you guys should definitely check them out. So right now they're holding up the doors with these, that's a snow brush, and this looks like a little windshield wiper thing, because the springs are not doing their job anymore. If you notice, when I take this off, the door starts coming down, and then it starts getting heavier and heavier. So it's a big problem, and we're gonna lubricate everything, do a full door tune-up as well. We're gonna add some turns onto here. All right. Too heavy, so I'm only gonna go an extra, maybe 2 on the other side. I'm gonna come back up here and spray. Right. So I'm gonna stop it right. Holding it up. So I put, and this one I'm gonna go. You guys, they're both good. So oh, now it holds up perfectly. So that was smooth, super smooth.